move this down to here, smoosh these together, and copy file new. Okay, paste. Save as layer 1. Alright. Alright, so I'll make the GIF later. Next thing to do is to bring in the mouse friend. Mouse friend! Alright, so Trusty Bard will get promoted to level 13. And we will bring back the mouse friend. I mean, I guess technically I didn't have to deactivate familiar earlier, since at level 12 you don't actually have a familiar. I guess it was mostly just testing to that method worked. Slots list. Let's go to the first reference to slots list, please. No, the first one. Is the first reference to slots list? Oh yeah, sure. Alright, it's not the first one. This one, yeah. And let's get rid of that. Save that. Run that. And now Trusty Bard will have his little pet mouse. So legs apart. Let's paste this here, because why not? And then legs together. And then we can paste this here. Okay, stop the script again. So, as before, I'm basically doing the same thing, except now with a mouse friend. So copy this. Oh yeah. So undo the smooshing of the layers to get the shadow off. On this layer, then paste this. Or actually, I'll do it on a layer above. Paste this. Line it up. Just so. Yeah, there we go. Smoosh it down. Wait, what? Oh, why is the... That's weird. I guess it keeps its... Whoa, that's funny. It keeps its opacity if you smoosh the layers together. I never knew that. Alright, so smoosh those together. And then, yeah, the other one... The other one will be a little different, because on the other one, the mouse doesn't jump up into the air a pixel. So the mouse, yeah, we'll want to like separate them, I guess. Copy. Alright, I was just making sure I didn't accidentally cut off the mouse's tail or something. Oh yeah, we can close these. We don't need to look at those. Not right now. Actually, we can close these things too. We don't really need these anymore either. Don't save. Ooh, wait, was I supposed to have saved that? I hope I saved it. I must have saved it after I fixed the hat. I feel like I must have saved it after I fixed the hat. Alright, let's hope so. So paste this. Lower the opacity. Slide it into place. Yep, there we go. And then raise the opacity, and then select the mouse. Okay. Select the mouse, and oops, I think I got some of the foot. Select the, oh gosh, why do I keep doing that? I'm really bad at the lasso tool. Select the mouse and move it down one click so that it lines up frames. Deselect, and then smoosh these together. Alright, so now, yeah, look at that. I'm not gonna add like a shadow to the mouse or anything like that. Alright, so smoosh these together. Select all, copy. File, new. Okay, paste. Undo. Smoosh these down. Select all, copy. File, new. Okay, paste. Save this as, so this will be level GIFs, level 13, this will be frame 1, I think. It really doesn't matter. Save, this will be frame 0, I guess. Okay. Alright, so now what's the next level that we get stuff happening and whatnot? Alright, so deactivate familiar again, because now we do actually have to do that to make sure that there is not a familiar for the next level that we do. Alright, and then the next level that we do is what? So yeah, first let's figure out what the number is. iDarks, level 21. Level 21. 21. Save that, run the script. Oh yeah, and I'll probably want to change the color of the background. I'll do like a bluish color this time, I think. Yeah. I feel like blue goes well with this scheme. So, so let's try RGB. So let's call this one 116 and this one 211. See what that does. Oh, it made it purplish. Interesting. That's the feather is too purple. So let's move this. Let's drop this down to like close to like 90, and we'll move this up to like 136 or something. What does that do? That's nicer. It's a little dark though. Let's just like lighten it up across the board. Let's go to like 240 and 166 or something. And then actually I should probably bring this up too, so like 120. Yeah, that's kind of nice. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so yeah, so legs apart. Paste that there, and then doop-a-doop, legs together. Paste that there. Alright, I can stop the script again. And then let's, yeah, same as before. Oh, did I take the, undo the squishing of the shadow? Undo, yeah, there we go. Wait, where's the shadow? Am I hallucinating, or is the shadow just like... Oh, the shadow's not visible because it's underneath, yeah, the layer. Okay. I'm like, what is going on? Okay. Alright, yeah, so... let's copy our brave hero and... oh yeah, new layer. Add new layer. Paste. And drop the transparency. I don't think the character is like always gonna line up exactly like into the exact position as like previous, but for now there's no reason not to. So I might as well. And then, yeah, of course, I need a new background. Doop-a-doop. So, yeah, using the rounded rectangle tool. Once again, go to the very edges. Oh yeah, that's not the right color. That is not the color I want. I'm working on art stuff, as you guys might notice, so if anyone has like questions or... Wait, why is this partially transparent? Why can I see through this? Oh, because I made it on the same layer. I meant to make it on this layer. Well, that doesn't actually explain it, but... Weird. Okay. Yeah, when I'm working on art stuff, if anyone has questions, it's a good time to say, it's one of those opportunities where I'm pretty good at answering questions. So like I have like mental bandwidth to answer questions. So let me know. I'm happy to indulge whatever you'd like to know about, whatever you'd like to learn about. This time is about you. Alright, so I can squish these layers together. Oh no, I can't yet. I have to duplicate this layer first, because I'll need it for the next one as well. And then I can get rid of this layer now. For this layer, For some reason it looks like the shadow's like in the wrong place or something, but I don't know. That's just my imagination, I suppose. You guys are so magnanimous with your knowledge. Saving those dear villagers from the perils of obsolescence. Doop-a-doop. Alright. Derp-a-derp. Lining it up. Good. Get rid of this layer now. Make this layer visible again. Fully visible. Once more. I can squish these together. Alright. Doop-a-doop-a-doop. Why is this layer like still partly transparent or something? What's going on with this? Why is this layer... Oh, it must have been like partly transparent when I squished them together. Shoot. That's annoying. Well, whatever. I'll just repaste it. How's it? It's like... Wait, I need to use a separate layer for this. Hopefully I won't do the same stupid mistake again. I'll put the transparency temporarily below 100. Line it up. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Line it up. Just so. And then put the transparency back up to 100. And then squish it together. Alright. There we go. Alright, that's better. I'm also going to, just because the background is slightly different, I'm going to change the shadow to a little bit darker too. Brightness, contrast, brightness. Yeah, I'm just going to make it a little darker. Maybe not that dark. Just like that's fine. Okay. So squish this down. And select all, copy. File, new. Okay. Paste. Save. This is what, level 21? This is 0. And then undo the squishing of the layers, move the layers, squish the layers, select all, copy, file, new, okay, paste, save, as layer 1. Yay! Alright. I should, I might want to do like a test print just to make sure that these GIFs are coming out okay. Wait, what? No, don't save. I mean, I assume they are, but I guess it couldn't hurt. I don't actually know how to make GIF, so GIF maker. I know I've made one before, but I don't remember. Like I don't know if there's an easier way to do it. If there is, I don't know it. So what was the like I found like a lot of GIF makers suck, and then there was like one that actually like worked well. I forget which one though. Which one was it? Was it this one? No, it wasn't this one. It wasn't this one either, was it? I swear there was like, because like some of them put like watermarks on it. Huh? These are the only links I've clicked before. Maybe it was this one. I'll give it a shot, I guess. No, this wasn't it. No, what site was it? Was it one of these other ones that I haven't clicked on? That'd be weird. I'll recognize the site when I find it, because I know it didn't let me upload multiple images at the same time. And I guess, who knows, maybe many of these are valid GIF makey whatevers. Alright, fine, whatever. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Sure. Name the GIF 12. Private. Suitable for all ages. Just gonna put a watermark on my GIF. No, don't. Alright, for one thing, that's way too fast. For another thing, that's terrible quality. And then for another thing, stupid watermark. No one cares about your stupid watermark. Alright, was this one okay? Upload images. I guess whatever. It's not like it takes forever to try. That's pretty good. Yeah, create GIF animation. Music URL. Create GIF. View this GIF. Hey, alright, well this site seems to work well, right? So save image, or open image in new tab. What? What the heck? I don't understand what just happened. Was that right? Show in folder. Alright, that seemed to work, I guess. Open? Yeah, seems legit. Alright, cool. Well, this site seems to do it. I don't know why I didn't find this one last time. Alright, so doop-a-doop. Backing it up. Back it up. So art, level GIFs 12. Copy this here. I'll just call it 12.gif. Cool. So then upload images, level GIFs 13. Doop-a-doop. Okay. No, get rid of the other ones. I don't want the mouse to appear and disappear. Start over. Where's the start over? Start over. Alright, there we go. Okay. Or no, sorry, not frame animation. View GIF animation. Alright, cool. Save image as C, projects, journey, art, level GIFs 13.gif. Cool. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. So what else? Oh yeah, I could make the other one, I guess. How many of these do I have to do? Because it's a little tedious, right? um, it shouldn't take too long though. We have we've done 3 of them basically, and we have a few more to do. So, oops, nope. 21. I mean, I don't have to do all of them right now. It's just nice to know that I can be doing these things. I guess. Kind of, or whatever. Alright, file. I'm going to save this template just in case I don't finish them all. I can come back and continue working. So, let's call this like template or whatever. So yeah, alright, so now let's go back to the script. Where's the script? There it is. Let's reactivate familiar. Let's reactivate our pet. Our good friend, little bird. And then, oops. I'm really good at overshooting this. Really good. Alright, bring back Little Bird, and oh yeah, make our adventure. Oh yeah, okay, so that's one thing I could be doing, is I don't need to be, like, I could have gone right to level 22, I didn't have to go to level 21, and then level 22 again, so that'll save a little bit of time. I could have just went straight to level 22. Alright, so save that, run the script, so now Trusty Bard, same look, but with the Little Bird. Yay! Alright, so legs apart, paste, and where's the script? Legs together. Alright, you stop the script. Doop doop. Paste this. Okay. So, I guess technically all I really need of this is the Little Bird. So, I won't bother taking the whole thing. Oh, undo squishing the shadow down onto the other layer, save that. Alright, so on this layer, paste in Little Bird, line this up. Is that right? Seems right. Seems legit. Oh yeah, and this is the frame where the character is bounced up 1 frame, so I'll take the Little Bird, copy paste, and shift it down 1 pixel, and then yeah, and then doop-a-doop, same as before, copy, hide that layer, paste here, and doop-a-doop, and voila. Alright, so squish this down, select all, copy, file, new, okay, paste, save, as level 22, frame 0, okay, undo the squishing, whoops, not cut, undo, move the shadow down, squish this together, select all, copy, file, new, okay, paste, save, file 1, or frame 1. Alright, and then that counts. Yay. Oh yeah, I mean I didn't do it yet, but yeah, I think I do want to actually, yeah, I actually want to shift shift this over, because like I was saying, I don't necessarily want to. I kind of want just to be more centered. So copy paste 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 7 pixels. Okay. So copy paste 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Yeah, just because the bird, like, the mouse was very small, so it didn't really change the composition, but the bird is a little more noticeable. So I just want it to make. I just want the overall picture. I just want the overall picture to look like centered. So all right. So now I can save these. Yeah. Save those. Okay. Doop doop. And for a lot of this stuff, I'll probably be doing that in the versions that I save out, rather than doing it in wait, what was I forget what it was. No, I don't know. It's nice to have the adventure fixed relative to the shadow, so I don't have to worry about moving around separate layers and stuff like that. Okay, so yeah. All right. So what are the next ones? The next ones are these things. How do I pay my bills being independent dev? I worked in AAA for a while, and so although I haven't got my income, my like revenue streams working yet as an independent developer, I'm not broke yet. So it's basically a race against time. Like I need to generate revenue streams, which is to say I need to make money before I run out of money. Or so right now my funds are basically just like, so I have to it's like start nudging them upwards so that like as long as they like balance out eventually, right? I'm fine. Like, because I don't need to be rich. I don't care that much about money. I just if I don't get any revenue at any point, then I'll just eventually just like die. So I'm basically just trying to avoid death. That's all. Aren't we all? All right. So so 22. The next ones comes at level 30 and 31. So I can actually jump right to 31 because I'm removing the familiar, so it doesn't really make a difference what will be happening there. So I can jump right to 31. Wow, the levels used to be really far apart. I mean, the outfits used to involve very many level ups. Yeah, I'm pretty motivated. If you notice that I stream a lot, then yeah, it's partly because, yep, because I stream a lot. All right, so level 31. Save that, and then I mean, I guess I can do this in reverse order. So we'll do the turtle first. All right, so what color do we want? I think we'll go for a purple color for this character, for the background of this character. So purple would be like if I switched the green and the red around. So this will be 120, and this one will be 166. I think that'll make it purplish, right? Yeah. I don't know if that's the right tone of purple. I might want it to be a slightly deeper purple. I think because this outfit is very light, so I think it'd work better on a darker backdrop. So let's put this down to like 140. Let's put this down to like 90. Let's put this down to like. Actually, no, this one can stay pretty high because it wouldn't be bad if it was a little bit vibrant. No, that's too vibrant. Right? Or is it just not dark enough? A little of both, I think. Because these aren't supposed to be like in your face sort of thing. Sorry, I'm not actually gonna go anywhere, and I'm just gonna turn off the microphone for 1 second. I'll be right back. I'm not actually going anywhere. Sorry. Sorry, hey, congratulations, MartyVM, on leveling up. Sorry about that. All right, let's get back to it. Um, sorry, I said like a thing on my sleeve. Um, yeah, I'm a fan of pizza. I like pizza. Pizza. That's how I feel about pizza. All right, so yeah, so the color, what was it? It was not dark enough yet, so a little darker. So let's go down to 130. Let's go down to like 200. Let's see how that looks. Uh, yeah. Is dark really what I want? Yeah, I think I do want it to be darker. I think I want it to be like significantly darker. So like, let's try like 100. Let's try like 70 and like 160. See how that looks. Is that too dark? That might be too dark. That might be a little too dark. Sorry, I won't be I won't be too picky about this. That was one, so like 111, 80, like 180, something like that. Uh, all right, yeah, congratulations. Um, oh shoot! If I had implemented the new GIF fast enough, then you would have gotten the new GIF as well. But yeah, you got friendly mouse or fierce mouse, excuse me. um, all right, let's. Oh yeah, let's. I haven't run it yet, have I? This is probably gonna be fine. I'm gonna just use this. Yeah, this is fine. All right, so legs apart, paste, and legs together. Paste. All right. So I can stop the script again, and doop doop. Turtle. The turtle is still one of my parts of this game. Like, period. All right. So layer 5. Let's add a new layer. Paste. Oh yeah. Lower the transparency. Not that far. No, not that far. And then slide this around so it lines up. Oh, it's tough to line up with the eyes with the eye darks, because the eye darks like actually like cover up some of the eye. But all right, that should be fine. And then let's remember to actually put it back up to full opacity. That'd be important and helpful. And then we can color pick this color, add in a new layer, and use the rounded rectangle tool to doodly doodly doo. Make sure it's nice and snug to the corners, not overlapping. There we go. Alright. And then we can get rid of this layer. Squish these layers together. Oh, not yet. Duplicate this one first. Move this one down, then we can squish these layers together. And then hide this one. And doodly doodly doo. copy, new layer, paste, lower the transparency. Hey, Online Beast. Oh yeah. Do you like the turtle? I don't know if it's obvious yet, but with the turtle, he actually moves his little turtle feet like he's walking, even though he's sitting on your head. I just, I don't know. I don't always have good ideas, but I feel like Head Turtle was one of the good ideas that I've had for this game. At least I've just very much enjoyed Head Turtle. So alright, I can get rid of this layer. And yeah, so if you Head Turtle Head Turtle walks when you walk. uh, so yeah. I just really like Head Turtle. Alright, so these layers can get squished together, and so I can. Oh yeah, let's fix up the. We don't have like the backpack or like any weighty whatever. So actually, I should probably change the. The shadow a bit. For one thing, it should be darker so that it actually shows up like that, and then also it should be narrower now. So I'm just gonna like take it a bit and just like copy paste, I guess, and then just like pull it in a little bit. Yeah, that should be good. Alright, so squish that down. Oh, the layer turned invisible. I was like, where did it go? File, new, okay, paste, save this as, this is level 31, because I jumped ahead. 31, this is frame 0, oops, frame 0, and yeah, and then file, new, okay, oh yeah, I didn't copy, or, so undo the squishing of the shadow layer, move this down, squish these ones together, select all, copy, paste, save as layer, or frame 1. So, yeah, there we go. Alright, and then close those. And now, yeah, so now, right, instead of having to change stuff as much, instead of having to change like the level and everything, we can just go up here and change the, or not that far. We can go up here and change the familiarity of the slot list. Save that. Run the script, and yeah. All right. So legs apart. Paste, and legs together. Paste. Alright, I can stop the script now. And yeah, so like before, I don't have to replace the entire image. I just, this is the one without the turtle. So you can just, doop-a-doop, copy that. I guess actually this is literally the same image both times, so I can just because like the head doesn't actually animate, so I can just yeah, I think that's right. Pretty sure that's right. Right? Hold on, sorry, let me just double check. Yeah, I think that's right. Alright. Yeah, because that would look weird, that would look weird. Yeah, no, it's definitely that. Alright. Paste here. There we go. Alright, and then, so yeah, shadow time. Squish this together. Select all. Copy. File. New. Key. Paste. Undo. Undo. Move. Squish. Select all. Copy. File. New. Paste. Save that as... Alright, so now this is level 30. Because it's basically level 31 except without the pet. So this will be frame 1. It doesn't really matter which frame is which. I don't know why I'm still being consistent. As long as there's 2 images and they compile into a GIF, that's like the important part. Alright, so now we do the fox and the brigand. Alright, so we have 5 more to do. Fox and the brigand, the owl and the... I still don't even know what to call that character. And then the farmer. And then we're good for a little while. Alright, so the mask and the fox. That's level... Oh yeah, so what levels are those? 39. Right, so back to the script. We can... Oops, no. I keep clicking on the wrong one. We can go back and 39 was it? Shoot, I have a really short-term memory. Yeah, 39. Alright, so yeah, save this. Let's see what color... I mean, so far I've just been going around the color wheel, so the next stop on the color wheel would be reddish. I might go for like a reddish, pinkish color though, because I think the fox would look weird with a reddish color. So I'm not looking at the fox, but I'll... Without looking at the fox... Ooh, shoot. Maybe I should be looking at the fox. Whatever. It's not like it takes that much time to toggle this. Alright. So, let's, oops. I stopped the right one, right? The game's still running, right? Okay, good. Alright, so run this again. Yeah, some of the characters have wings in this game. That was a feature that we added in a few weeks back, and yeah, the people who have wings are the people with high karma. Yeah, because they're angels in real life. All right, so what am I trying to do here? To make it reddish, I guess I'll just swap the blue and the red and the blue values. No, actually, the blue. Yeah, swap the red and the blue values. So, like, what was this? Like 120 or something? 130, 120. I don't know. Let's see what this does. So rerun the script. Oh wow. Yeah, that's it's more red than I was expecting. I think it might be a little too red, I feel like, so I'm gonna actually go I think I'll lighten it up actually. So I'll put this up to like, well no, I'll keep this at 180 and I'll move this up to like 160. See what that does. This could be alright. Although, no, I want to lighten it up even further, because this character is darker in tone. So let's try putting this up to 200. Wow, I don't know what's up with the audio. I mean, oh, I do know partly what's up with the audio. I think the audio is getting a little bit stifled by the fact that I have 2 instances of the game running at the same time. I think it doesn't like that. I think like I noticed that like when I have both instances of the game running, the audio comes in a little bit lighter. I should probably boost the saturation. Maybe? Yeah, I should boost the saturation, I think. Just a little bit. So let's try it at like 220, and then put this back down to back down to like 80. See what that does. Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, so legs apart. Oh, the fox kind of overlaps a little bit. Huh. So I might want to cheat this one. Interesting. Yeah, because I've been cheating the adventure to like bob up and down just ever so slightly. And it'll be hard because the fox like literally overlaps the adventure, so it would be hard to translate those slides separately. So I could just oops, he got off screen. I'll have to wait till he comes back on screen. Alright, so legs apart, legs together. So, yeah, weird. I might just, I might, do what? Alright, I'll stop the script. And then, yeah, I'll actually remove the fox. Again. Before moving on, because I think I'm probably gonna add the fox in separately in both cases. Alright, so run this again. Legs apart. So I won't paste over the old one, so I'll have both of them here. And then legs together. Again, I won't paste over the other one. Where's the other one? Oh, yeah, he's way over there. I won't paste over it. We'll just paste. Alright. Yeah, so then, so I'm going to undo the shrinking of the shadow. I'm going to undo the shrinking of the shadow because, I don't know, no particular reason. I just want it to be bigger again. Good. Alright. Save that. And then, yeah. So, yeah, right. Okay, so I'll take what? I'll take this frame of animation and oh yeah. Never mind. Sorry, something just occurred to me, but it's not important. Right, so this one is this one, right? So paste this. Oh yeah, not on the same layer. New layer. Paste this. Decrease the opacity. Line up the eyeballs. Yeah, I think that's right. And then increase the opacity back to full. Okay. And then oh yeah, new layer. Colorful rectangle time, or rounded rectangle, colorful, blah blah blah. So this color, rounded rectangle, activate. What? Why is it not doing anything? Oh, because I color picked from the layer, not from the image. So. Yeah. Alright. Duplicate this layer. Hey, look, I even remembered to do that thing that I tend not to remember to do. Squish these together. Get rid of this layer. And then add a new layer here for this other frame of animation, which we have over here. Doop-a-doop. Oh, I don't need the script to be running anymore. I can stop the script from running. uh, Alright, did I copy this? And then on this new layer, paste. Also not be seeing this. Decrease the opacity so we can see through to line up the eyeballs. Oh, is it already lined up? No, almost. There we go. So then, yep, and then I can delete this layer. Yeah, restore the opacity. Alright, squish these together. Oops, nope, that's not what I meant to do. Squish these together. Nope, not those. Squish these together. There we go. Alright, I feel like the shadow should be shifted over slightly, which is weird because I don't remember changing anything that would make sense for that to be the case, but maybe not quite that far. I don't know, that's probably fine. Yeah, sure, why not? Okay, so I'll do this. What is this, levels 38 or something? So file, new. Okay, paste, save. Level 38. 38. Sorry, so new folder for level 38. 38. And then file name 0.png. Okay. Undo, or not, actually, no, not on this file. Don't save. Undo, there we go. Squish these together. Select all, copy, file, new. Okay, paste, save as frame 1. Alright. And so now, I'm actually going to copy the fox separately from its, because the fox is in one piece. The fox doesn't come in separate pieces. The adventure comes in a ton of different pieces, and it's a nightmare, or I don't know, it's just a hassle to line them all up again. But the familiar is easy enough. Fox. Doop-a-doop. So, yeah, how does it line up? So, alright, it lines up like this. So, copy, undo squishing of the shadow layer. So then, new layer, paste, let's line this up how it's supposed to get lined up. So the ear kind of touches the elbow a little bit. It's it lines up, the top of the ear lines up with the edge of the elbow. So, and then how high? I think it's not that high though. Oh no, it's about that high. Yeah, it's exactly that high. But then this character is shifted up one click, so we'll move this down one click. And then select here, close that. Put in a new layer. Here, we can hide these. Paste this. Yeah, how does this one line up? The nose. The nose and the elbow make a nice little circle here. So it's like that. Yeah. I'm sure that's how it lines up. Alright, so we'll want to put a shadow in for the fox, because right now it looks a little weird without one. Oh yeah. Huh. So I probably actually want to cheat the position of the fox, because yeah. So which position do I like? I like this position better. So when I say cheat the position of the fox, what I mean is I want it to, so the position that I have the fox, it's it's pulled backwards and then it lunges forwards, and it pulls backwards, lunges forwards. And that's because I do that because in the game, you're constantly moving forwards, and so it kind of looks like the fox is like springing behind you a little bit. But without the context of movement, kind of like how the adventure looked flat, like because its upper torso wasn't animating, it looks a little weird that the whoa what? Oh yeah. Whoa wait, what happened to the? Oh wait, what? Shoot, what did I do? Oh, I merged the fox. I merged the wrong layers. All right. Yeah, without the context of that movement, it looks a little weird. It looks like the fox is like teleporting, so or like it looks like it's bouncing in a weird way. So I'm just gonna cheat it forwards. Yeah, more like that. That's actually very good. Yeah, so like that, I guess. So now I can squish these together, and then I'm probably gonna recenter the image. Oh yeah, the fox needs a shadow. Was the other thing. So let's add a fox shadow. Actually, I can just add it to the same layer. In fact, maybe I'll even use the same shadow. Or maybe I'll use like, the same overall shape or whatever. So copy, paste. No, not that. Doesn't need to be that big. That could be okay, maybe. I should probably be forward one click. Oops. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I'm moving the whole image. I'm moving both shadows if I do it that way. Just be forward even another click. Maybe I should have lined it up with the other frame of animation instead of this one, because oh, oops, am I going to be... Oh, oops, yeah, I'm clobbering over the other shadow. I'm really bad at lassoing for some reason. I don't think I'm always this bad. Maybe I'm just having a bad lasso day or something. So... Alright. That should be good, hopefully. It's good enough. Alright, so yeah. So now, squish these layers together. Select all, copy, file, new, okay, paste. Yeah, that's definitely not centered. Undo, move, squish, select all, copy, new, okay, paste. Alright, so yeah, so I definitely need to recenter this a little bit. How many pixels is the question? Deselect. Which one? Yeah, they're about the same width, relatively speaking. So, copy paste 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, shoot. 10, 9, 10. 10 probably. I know there's like a little bit of foxtail on the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That seems pretty good. Alright, let's cover up that little bit of foxtail. There we go. Alright, so... Yeah, cool. Alright, so save this. I'm pretty sure this was level 39, right? Art, level GIFs, new folder, level 39. Yeah. This is frame 0. And this is frame, whoops, save. Frame 1. Alright, 3 to go. Almost there. We're making progress. So, oh, you know what I could do? I could do this as part of, instead of having to hack the game every time I want to do this, I can do this when I'm making the character art. Oh, yeah. I don't actually even have to hack the game necessarily to make this for the character that we just added recently, because we can just use the doll file right? Because that's how that works. Yeah, so this will actually be an easier process for the future art because yeah. Yeah. Excuse me. All right. So yeah, we're good with this stuff for now. And so now the owl and whatever that other character is. What levels are those? Uh, so 38 and 39 with Mask and Fox. 45 and 44. So let's bring back the familiar, just for the purposes of picking the palette. Yeah, let's right, so jump down here. We have level 45, I think it was. But honestly, I have no clue because I have a terrible memory. So I think the color here is going to be reddish. That might look a little primary. So I might want to... I don't want to go too orangish, though. Because if I go too orangish, then the owl will look a little weird, I think. So I think I do want to... Yeah, this could be okay. I don't think I've ever actually seen the owl animation before. Like, I have no in-game. It's very subtle. Alright, yeah, I should be taking screen captures. I think that's actually a fine color. So, legs apart. Paste. Expand canvas, or whatever. Legs together. Oops. Paste that. Expand canvas. I don't care. Cool. And then we can stop the script. Yeah. And then, oh yeah, this will be easy to do the different versions because I don't even have to copy and paste. I can just like trim out the owl as needed. Yeah. So, so copy this whole thing. Oh wow, this adventure might not actually fit on screen. Might not actually fit. Oh yeah, undo the squishing of the shadows. Yeah, this adventure, like I might not be able to line this one up because the owl is so big that like yeah, if I tried to line up the eyes, like the owl would just go off screen. So for this one, I'll probably just well, I'll line up the height of the image so that so it doesn't move, like it's not like shifting up and down at all. But I'll just put it like directly in position for the rest of the stuff. Yeah, there's no reason that I had to be picky about that sort of thing. I guess mostly the reason I was doing it before was that it was easier just to not have to slide the separate layers individually. All right, so the eyes are lined up, and then yeah, I already know like the placement of this is going to be like probably like around here. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so let's bring back the opacity. Okay. And actually, I guess I'll want to line up the next one with this one. So select doop-a-doop. Paste opacity, decrease, key. So I want to line it up like so, but then I'll also want to shift it down because we're doing the cheaty thing where the one frame is one pixel lower or higher than the other. All right, so this is the one that's restore the opacity. This is the one. Actually, the owl the owl animation looks okay. Even offset by a pixel, but I think I will restore it to what it usually is, which is down 1 pixel. Unless it looks worse, in which case maybe I should keep it. Oops, nope. Maybe I should keep it up 1 pixel. So Actually, maybe it would look better. Yeah, actually, for the same reason I do the Explorer cheated by a pixel. I think, yeah, the bird looks too weird to just stay completely still like that. So I think it actually will move it up a pixel. Uh, yeah, sure. Good. Good then. All right, so then which this is yeah. All right, so you're right. So new layer. Let's do the rounded rectangle. Do rounded rectangle. Deselect. Oh yeah. So pick the color and make the shape. Doop-a-doop. It's a little hard to tell. The pink and the red are very similar colors, but shoot, no, I really can't. I really can't see it. Hold on, I have to get rid of these other layers first. I can't. I couldn't even make out the edges. All right, so layer. Wait, which layer has the shadows? Is that this layer? No, this is like some blank layer. This layer has the shadows? Yeah, this layer has the shadows. And I might need both of those shadows, but I'll have to move them around, of course. Alright, so I think this layer is blank. Let's see what we can do. Alright, that looks good, yeah. Alright. And then, so shadows. Yeah, those are both way off. I'll leave, I won't move their position on the ground, because, like, I think their position on the ground is actually pretty close to correct. I'll just move their lateral. Like, I won't move them up or down at all. I'll just move them over. Oh, although, kind of like with the Mystic, this character is, like, fairly trim, so I'm going to reduce the width of the shadow a little bit. Yeah, that's probably fine. Oops. Oh, yeah. I was like, wait, what? I forgot to duplicate this one and squish these together. So that way I can check out the animation. Or I can check out both frames. Yeah, that looks fine. And then, oh yeah, so the owl shadow. I might move the owl shadow up a click. I think I might move it up a little bit. Not by much, though. 2 clicks. And then over to here. Maybe the owl shouldn't have a shadow. Because he's really high off the ground. Yeah, the owl shouldn't have a shadow. Plus, it's a ghost owl. It doesn't have shadows. I could actually, instead of getting rid of it, I could just make it faint. I could just make it like really. How to do that? I guess like I'll cut it from this layer. I'll use that newfound trick where I can actually change the opacity of things. Whoops, undo. I can actually change the opacity of things by changing the opacity of the layer and then squishing the layers together. So is that positioning right? I think actually it'd be like a little further this way. And then, yeah, I'll just change the opacity of the layer. And then squish the layers back together. Ha! Cheating. I'm cheating. But I think that's fine. Or else I could just keep... I don't know, it looks a little weird without the shadow. But it looks a little weird with the shadow too. So maybe I should just go without the shadow. Yeah, that's probably fine. It's a ghost owl. I don't know, it's a little weird. It's a little weird even without the shadow. I'll keep the shadow. Wait, how does it look small? Yeah, I keep forgetting that it doesn't. Nothing that I'm checking out matters because what matters is how it looks small, and it looks fine small. So, all right, cool. All right, so squish these together. Select all, copy, file, new. Okay, paste. save as, this would be what, level 45? This is frame 0, key, and then, so undo the squish, undo, move, redo, select all copy, file new, okay, paste, save that as frame 1. Yeah. Yeehaw. So, yeah, and then, alright, so undo the squishing, and then, oh, actually, you know what? I'm just gonna file open. Just gonna open these again, and then, file save as, level gifs, level 44, 0.png, and save as level 44 1.png, and just delete the owl and just shift it over. So color pick, doodly doodly doo. See, it's a ghost owl. It's a ghost. Whoops. Not like that. It's a ghost. There we go. It's a ghost. Doop doop. Yeah. So, deselect. Copy paste. Slide this over. Oh wait, I should have been paying attention to how many clicks it was. Deselect. Wait, there's actually a really easy way to tell how many clicks it is. If you select all the way to the edges, then you can just tell by the resultant position, because the resultant position will be like negative 18 pixels, and I think that was pretty good. So now we know that it's negative 18 pixels. So just go over here, copy paste, and slide down to negative 18, and it is therefore lined up because we did the same number. Yeah, look at that. All right. Oops. Nope. Don't. Nope. 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 Save. Save. All right. And I might oh man, my script is so hacky right now. Am I gonna remember how to unhack all of it? I hope so. I'm gonna start unhacking it now, and then for the last character, I'm gonna use the for the last character, I'm going to use the doll file, because we have it set up appropriately right now, and I want to make sure that that technique works well. All right, so save this. I'm gonna bring down the stable build right now, and I'll bring because yeah. So I'm going to restore the script back to working order, and then we can bring it back. And we can go back to the real deal, the genuine article. Alright, so that was part of the hack that I put in. That might have been most of the hack. Oh, I deactivated the event sound in the event. Where is it? It's down here, right? No, where is it? Oh yeah, here it is. So win sound, play sound, blah blah. All right, save that. And then what else did I do? Am I using any like background cheats? I don't think so. That might have been all of it. I mean, I guess we'll find out when I run the script, and it either works or. All right, so I guess in the meantime, I can fabricate more of those GIFs. I can squish together more of these into GIF-majigs, Why does that button take so long to show up? Upload images, there it is. Alright, so level 21, so let's do 22. Wow, we did a lot of these. That took forever. Excuse me. Oof, I'm a mess right now. Alright, so save image as level 22. 22.gif. And then refresh. Derp-a-derps. Blurple-deeps. Yeah, so the other thing I need to do, I guess, is, speaking of online sites that do stuff, I need to convert the other audio effect, the little chirp noise in the game. I need to convert that to a WAV file, so that way why do I need to do that? I need to I need to convert that to a WAV file because the WAV, I need WAV files to use the new audio solution that I'm using rather than Pygame uses WAV files instead of OGS. So yeah. Alright, level 30 is done. 31. Wow, there's so many of these. Why are there so many of these? View this GIF animation. Save image as 31. Oops. 31. Yeah. We're making it, you guys. We're making it. Yeah. I don't know. I got nothing. Level gifts 31, 38. Create GIF animation. View this GIF animation. I guess I could just hit the download this GIF animation button, right? That would probably work just as well. What is this one? 38. Doop-a-doop-a-doop. Refresh. Where'd that button go? Come back, button. We miss you, button. 39. Doop-a-doop. Create GIF. View GIF. Save GIF. Doop-a-doop. 39. 39. So close. Almost there. Almost there. Alright, level gifts, 45. Oh, oops, I forgot to refresh. Button. Come back, button. There we go. Create GIF animation. View this GIF animation. This site has a weird UI. Really weird UI. It doesn't have the remove image button as far as I can tell. There's no way to remove images, possibly, except by hitting refresh on the page. The upload images button takes forever to show up. It's just so much slower than everything else on the page. And when you click the create GIF button, you can't even tell if anything happened until you scroll down. What's happening? Oh, Chrome is crashing or something? I don't know what that's about. So, yeah. Yeah. Sorry. Is it really just crashing? Alright, whatever. Okay. Um. So, stop crashing, you coward. It's not like I had anything important open, so I can just restart it. Yeah, close the program. Try again in the morning. Gifmaker.me is the site I was using. It might have crashed, but at least it made a bunch of GIFs before it crashed. What's going on now? Google just doesn't feel like doing anything now. GIF maker, please. GIF maker. Yeah, good, thank you. What was it? It was gifmaker.me. This is the top indexed GIF maker on Google, and it's so weird. I mean, I guess technically it works, but like I hit create GIF and like, did anything happen? I don't know. If I scroll down, it's like it now gives me the option to view the GIF animation and stuff. But if I hadn't been scrolled down, it's like, I don't know. All right, whatever. Level 45. I might. I think I'm gonna upload these ones that I've made first, and because I do still have to make that other one. Yeah, I do still have to make that other one, but I'm not gonna do it right first. I'm going to actually no. You know what? All right, so we made the GIFs, and all is right in the world, and I've been streaming for like creeping up on 10 hours now. So I'm actually I'm gonna declare this the part of the stream where the stream happens for not much longer. Before I go, I'm just gonna check online real quick to see who else is streaming, because I don't know, maybe we can go be friends with another cool streamer out there, right? Streamers are cool people. Let's be friends with them, right? That's my theory. That's my theory on stuff and whatever and so on and such and such. So yeah, let's see how stuff's happening. Yeah, I I don't know what I'm talking about right now. I might just go cold. I try not to. But there's sometimes that's just like, why not? It's not gonna do any harm to do so. So might as well. Oh, this guy was really good last time I looked. Maybe this guy's really good. Maybe we can check out this person's. Nah, whatever. I'm probably just gonna go cold. I'm just gonna go cold today. So, all right. Thank you everyone for watching. We got a lot done today, and we had a lot of fun. And just think of how much greater the game will be tomorrow and the next day and the day after that. And yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. So, have a wonderful whatever time of day it is wherever you guys are, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye guys. Bye. Bye. Yeah.